Okay, I think we are all ready to go. I have the gift for the party, and you have the keys to the car. Are you ready to drive, David?
I am ready to drive, Emma, but I am not exactly sure where I am driving. I am just looking at this paper map, trying to figure out the best way to get to our friend's house.
A paper map? I have not seen one of those in years. It looks very big and complicated.
It is. The party is in the western part of the city, and I have never driven in that neighborhood before. I am a little bit worried we are going to get lost. It is a long way from here.
I am sure we can find it, but trying to read a big map like that while you are driving is not very easy, and it is also not very safe. Your eyes should be on the road.
I know. I was planning to stop every few minutes to check the map. It is going to be a very slow journey.
I have a much better idea. An idea that is easier, faster, and much safer.
I am open to any ideas right now. What is it?
You do not need that old paper map. You have an incredibly powerful navigation tool right here in your pocket.
In my pocket? I do not have anything in my pocket except my keys and my wallet.
I am talking about your smartphone, David. Your phone has a global positioning system, or GPS, built into it. You can use a Maps application to get perfect turn-by-turn directions.
Oh, you mean that little map icon on my phone. I have seen it, but I have never really used it for driving. I always find those apps a little bit confusing. They talk to you, and there are so many buttons.
It can seem confusing at first, but I promise you, once you learn how to use it, it will change your life. It makes driving in a new place completely stress-free. I can guide you through the whole process right now, step by step.
You would do that for me? You could be my GPS instructor. That would be amazing.
Of course. I am happy to help. Let's get started. The first step is to unlock your phone and find the Maps application. It usually looks like a little folded map with a pin on it.
Okay, I see it. I am opening the app now. It is showing a map of our current location.
Perfect. Now, at the top of the screen, you should see a search bar. It will probably say something like search here or where to.
Yes, I see the search bar.
I want you to tap on that search bar and then carefully type in the address of the party. I have the address right here in the invitation. It is 45 Northwood Lane.
Okay, I am typing it in. 45 Northwood Lane. Now it is showing me a few different options. How do I know which one is the right one?
Make sure you choose the one that is in the correct city and state. It is very important to check that so you do not accidentally get directions to a different city.
You are right. I see the correct one now. 45 Northwood Lane in our city. I will select that one.
Excellent. Now the app should show you a map with the route from our current location to the party. It usually shows the route as a blue line.
Yes, I can see the blue line. It looks like a long and winding road. Now, what do I do?
Before you start the navigation, you should check two things. First, look for the little icons that show the mode of transport. There should be an icon for a car, a person walking, and a bus or a train. Make sure that the little car icon is selected because we are driving.
I see it. Yes, the car is already selected.
Good. The second thing to notice is that the app will sometimes give you a few different route options. It might show you one route in a dark blue line and another route in a lighter blue or a gray line.
It is doing that right now. There are 3 different routes on the screen. One says 40 minutes, another says 45 minutes, and the third says 52 minutes. The app has already highlighted the fastest one for me.
The app is very smart. It will always recommend the fastest route based on the current conditions. So we will use that one. Now you are ready for the final step. You just need to press the big Start button.
Okay, here we go. I am pressing Start. The screen has changed now. It is showing a close-up view of the road that we are on.
Exactly. This is the navigation view. Let me explain what you are looking at. That little blue dot or blue arrow in the middle of the screen represents our car. As we drive, the dot will move along the map.
So we can see our own progress in real time. That is very cool.
It is. The blue line is the path that we need to follow. Now, look at the very top of the screen. You should see a little instruction.
Yes, it says, in 500 feet, turn right onto Ocean Boulevard.
Perfect. That top bar will always show you your very next instruction. It tells you what your next turn is and how far away it is. It makes it very easy to prepare for your next move.
That is very helpful. It is much better than trying to remember a long list of directions.
In 200 feet, turn right onto Ocean Boulevard.
Whoa! The phone just talked to me. That was a surprise.
That is the voice guidance feature. I think it is the best and most useful part of using a GPS.
So, a voice is going to tell me every instruction? I do not have to look at the screen?
You should glance at the screen sometimes, just to see the map. But yes, the voice will tell you every single turn you need to make, right before you need to make it. This means you can keep your eyes safely on the road and just listen to the instructions.
That is a brilliant feature. It is like having a personal navigator sitting right here in the car with us.
That is exactly what it is. Okay, we are coming up to the corner now. You should turn right.
Okay, I am turning right onto Ocean Boulevard. This is amazing. The map on the screen turned with me.
It did. And now the instruction at the top has changed. It says, continue straight for 2 miles.
This is so much easier than I thought it would be. I feel very relaxed.
Now, I see some parts of the blue line on the map ahead of us are a different color. Some parts are orange and some are red. What does that mean?
That is another incredibly useful feature. That is the real-time traffic information.
Real-time traffic? So the app knows how busy the roads are right now?
Yes, the colors represent the speed of the traffic on that road. The normal blue color means there is no traffic, and you can drive at the normal speed. Orange means the traffic is a little bit slow and congested. And red means the traffic is very heavy and you will probably be in a traffic jam.
That is so smart. And the app uses that information to choose the best route for us.
Yes, when we started, it probably looked at the traffic on all the different routes and chose the one that would be the fastest at this specific time of day.
Technology is truly amazing sometimes. I am starting to become a big fan of this GPS app. Now I have another question for you. What happens if I make a mistake? What if I miss a turn, or I turn onto the wrong street by accident?
That is a great question. A lot of people worry about that. They worry that they will ruin the whole trip if they make one wrong turn.
That is exactly my fear. With a paper map, a wrong turn can be a disaster.
Well, with a GPS app, a wrong turn is not a problem at all. It is just a small, temporary detour.
What do you mean? What does the app do?
The moment the app realizes that you are not on the blue line anymore, it will automatically and instantly find a new route for you from your new current location. It will just take a second, and then it will give you new instructions to get you back on track. It is impossible to get lost.
The app will just reroute me automatically. That takes away all the stress. I am officially a convert. I am never using a paper map again.
I knew you would love it once you understood how it works. It has a lot of other useful features, too.
It does? Like what?
For example, if we were getting low on gas, you could tap the search button and ask the app to find gas stations that are on our route. It would show you all the upcoming options without you having to go far off the path.
So you can search for things along the way. That is a great feature for a long road trip.
It is. You can also search for things like coffee shops, restaurants, or supermarkets. It is very convenient. Another useful feature is that the app often displays the speed limit for the road you are currently on. Look, you can see it right there in the corner of the screen.
Oh, you are right. It says the speed limit here is 45 miles per hour. That is a very good safety feature to have.
It is. It helps to make sure you are always driving at a safe speed. In a quarter of a mile, your destination will be on the right.
Did you hear that? It says we are almost there. We have arrived in the neighborhood. And I did not have to stop to check a map even one time.
I told you it was easy. It looks like a very nice and quiet street. And look, I can see a lot of balloons tied to the mailbox of that house up ahead on the right. That must be the party.
You are right. That is number 45. We have arrived, and we are not even late.
In a quarter of a mile, your destination will be on the right.
This is just brilliant. I feel like a technology expert now. Emma, I cannot thank you enough for being such a patient and clear teacher. You have opened my eyes to the magic of GPS.
It was my absolute pleasure, David. I'm happy I could show you a better way. Now, you can drive anywhere in the world with confidence.
I feel like I can. Well, we are here. Let's go and enjoy the party. And I will thank you again later for saving me from my terrible paper map.